When we have data sources that don't contain measures, SAP Analytics Cloud will generate a measure for us based on a count of unique records. We'll navigate to and select a file. Note that the system has not detected any mapping quality issues, although the dataset contains no measures. We can trigger the creation of the model by switching to data exploration mode. Note that a measure has been created. Here, we can visualize the new measure, which is based on a count of the column that contains a unique ID for each row. If we return to the data manipulation view, we find a new column has been added to the data with a count for each row. Thanks for watching.